Okay, we'll be able to recover our device, and we won't be able to use the PC since it has this screen lock that we've forgotten. What are we going to do? Well, let's see what the step-by-step video tutorial is to be able to solve this problem with this screen lock. As we can see, our device is locked. We've been locked. We've entered. What is a lock on our phone, and we've forgotten it? What are we going to do in this video tutorial? First of all, what we are going to do is turn off our device. We press power, we turn it off, then when it is completely off, we are going to wait 10 seconds. When those 10 seconds pass, what we are going to do is the following. We are going to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time so that we get what this mode is on our phone. This is the mode that we are going to need. Now with the volume down, we are going to look for the option that says recovery mode. We are going to press the power button. Then our phone is going to turn on and it would take us to the next section here. What are we going to do? Well, we are going to go down here where it says WIP Data Factory Reset. We press power. We go down and click where it says Factory Data Reset and you will get what this error is. As we can see, this error does not matter. With the power button, we are going to give the first option. This is so that our device can restart and take us to the beginning. But let's say that in some cases, sometimes our phone asks us for what the Google account is. The Gmail account, well, don't worry. For that we are going to explain step by step what we are going to do to be able to configure our phone. Well, our device has just restarted. What are we going to do? Well, first of all, we are going to connect to a Wi-Fi network if you do not have a face mask entered in the phone. You are going to you do not get the option to skip, and as we can see, we get this little padlock. It is because our phone has a lock. This has the forgotten Gmail account. If so, in the description of the video and in the pinned comment, we are going to leave a method to be able to solve it.